Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Suncatcher Hoop. With these simple pieces, you'll be creating something wonderful. First, take the tag off of the hoop. Next, you'll notice at the top you have a little screw mechanism. You'll want to loosen it up. Remember the saying, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Loosen it, but don't have the screw come completely out. This will loosen the center ring, which will come out. Put the larger outside hoop to the side and notice the Avery lamination sheet. You'll notice there's a little space on the top and the bottom. With that, peel off the white Avery backing and put the sticky side up on the table in front of you. Again, with the center smaller ring, carefully place that down on the table in front of you, sticky side up. You'll then want to start to smooth up along the edges of the hoop with the lamination sheet. This will create sort of like a bowl of the lamination sheet up and around the hoop. Next, once all the sides are in place, take the larger hoop and carefully put it on around. This will seal up the side with the lamination, and you still should see some excess of the lamination sheet around it. Next, it's time to tighten up the hoop so that it stays sealed between. Tighten it on up, and carefully with a pair of scissors or have a grown-up help you, trim off the excess lamination. Something that I found after I was cutting off the excess is just taking your finger and carefully just tapping down any excess down so that the sticky will be against the hoop and not exposed. This creates a wonderful sticky surface for all those great things inside of the little baggie that is enclosed in your kit. Feathers, tissue paper, and so on. Uh-oh, is your feather too big for the hoop? Well, that's okay. Again, with permission or do it yourself, you can cut off little snippets of the feather and stick it down. This might create a little excess little feathery dust, and that's okay too. Tissue paper. Uh-oh, Miss Wendy, you packed a large strip. That's okay. Rip off little pieces and put them in all different places along the sticky side of the hoop. There are so many different colors. You can choose how you want it to look. And one thing that I found that was really neat is to also take all those little tiny pieces of feathers that have fallen as you cut and stick those down too. It'll give it a different look. Once you feel that your hoop is completely covered, it'll be time to take your twine and tie it up along where the screw bolt piece was. Look at that, hang it up and enjoy. Thanks for joining me for all these Grab and Go series. Be sure to come and say hi to me at the Manlius Library.